Hi, hello everyone. My name is Fadila and I'm your Vice President Education. I'm here to represent the 30,000 voices in our university. Yes, all of you. And to achieve this, we have an amazing student academic representative system to empower you to make the real changes to our education. And I really want you to be one of our reps this year, no matter who you are or where you're from, no matter if you are a home or international student, no matter if you're an undergraduate or postgraduate student, no matter if you are from Heath campus or Caerdydd campus, your participation matters.
Felly, mae dod yn gynrychiolwyr, mae'n swydd reit neis o ran dod i nabod y myfyrwyr eraill. Hefyd, mae'n rhywbeth i roed ar y CV, bod chi wedi cael profiad o falle adborth ymlaen felly, a bod gennych chi rhyw fath o gyfrifoldeb yn y rôl hynny.
I became a rep because I was looking for some way to give back to the School of Psychology. I've had a really good experience over my first 3 years, and in my final year I wanted to do something to help the school.
My role is to work with and for students and the wider university to ensure that students have a great student experience while they're at Cardiff University. One of the very important things that I do in this role is to listen to students. Our student reps are a very important way in which we reach out to a wide number of students and ensure that students can tell us what's going well, what they're really enjoying about their time at Cardiff, but also ways in which we might do better.
It's really good to see how the school works, how the university works, and having that ability to make changes.
Mae bod yn gynrychiolwyr academaidd yn rhoi teimlad o bwysigrwydd i chi oherwydd ydych chi'n gwybod bod chi'n gwneud gwahaniaeth i'ch profiad chi yn y brifysgol.
It's been amazing.